Hi, having kids can be very rewarding as you continuously learn from them. One of the lessons we learn from our children is how to make every day happy and joyful. In this video, I give you 5 tips to help you start your day stress-free with no more hassle, no more panic, no more bad moods. A few months ago, before the lockdown, it was almost impossible to get my 9-year-old son up and ready for school in the morning. The dark winter mornings only made him dig deeper under the blanket. As a result, he frequently started his day in a bad mood, and therefore so did I. I was looking for a way to show him that there is another way to start the day. Then one day I asked him on the way to school how joyful his days have been lately. He muttered something, and I continued. What do you think? Would your day be happier if you wake up being happy? The next morning started differently than before, as he woke up without any problem. As a result of the better mood in the morning, his attitude the entire day was different. He felt happy and joyful the whole day. Since that day, our mornings have been different, more joyful and happier. So what it takes to make your mornings more joyful and happy? This applies when you work from home as well. Start preparing for your morning night before. You can pack your bag and choose your clothes, or at least a few sets to choose from. You can gather and prepare all materials needed for the morning meeting. This way you save valuable time and avoid morning hassle. Check the calendar and think about more significant tasks the night before. Researchers have found that when we can sleep after we've given a task, the results are much better, as our subconscious mind has done most of the work during the night when our mind is at rest. Think about at least one good thing, what happened that day before going to sleep. Introducing gratitude to your life increases your well-being, eases stress, and improves your mood. And you'll get better and happier dreams as well. Make a decision that you wake up without endless snoozing. Why not this endless snoozing? You are not able to go through your deep sleep cycle during this snoozing time. And instead of feeling fresh and energized the way you would when waking up after a deep sleep cycle, you wake up tired and foggy. While you are awake, choose to be happy. You can be happy because of the sunshine. You can be happy because of a challenging task waiting for you. You can be happy because you meet your friend during your lunch break. Or it can be another reason that you choose to be happy. Or you can just be happy without any obvious reason. You just choose to be happy. And please, let me know in the comments area how you start your day. And if you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. And when you click the bell sign as well, you'll get a notification next time I post a video.